Welcome to Egypt, a land where history meets beauty and culture intertwines with adventure. Imagine standing before the timeless pyramids of Giza and the enigmatic Sphinx, icons of a civilization that has intrigued the world for centuries. Here, where the desert sands whisper tales of pharaohs, you embark on a journey through time. Venture further to the awe-inspiring Luxor and Karnak temples, often heralded as the greatest open-air museum on Earth. Walk through the shadows of ancient kings and queens, where every stone tells a story of majesty and mystery. But Egypt is not just a relic of the past. Dive into the crystal-clear waters of the Red Sea in Sharm el-Sheikh and Hurghada. These vibrant coastal cities offer a paradise for those seeking both relaxation and thrill, with coral reefs teeming with marine life. Discover the hidden gem of Siwa Oasis, a serene retreat in the western desert. Here, breathtaking landscapes and salt lakes create an idyllic setting for cultural immersion and tranquility. The surreal beauty of the White Desert awaits, where nature's artistry has carved ethereal white rock formations, evoking a sense of otherworldly wonder. And what better way to experience Egypt than a luxurious cruise down the Nile River? As you sail through history, watch the landscape unfold, revealing the heart of a nation that has captivated travelers for millennia. Tourism in Egypt is more than just a vacation. It's a journey of cultural exchange and economic growth. By visiting, you help preserve these magnificent sites and support local communities, enriching your understanding of a diverse and vibrant world. So are you ready to pack your bags for an unforgettable adventure? Egypt awaits, promising history, adventure, and relaxation in one remarkable destination. Let us know your dream destination and start your journey today.